Okay, this is a kind of fun lesson and it has an activity you might enjoy doing. It's called text feature, okay, something that's in our story that helps us to understand our story. And it's directions. Sometimes the story will give us directions, or how-to story. Now, we wrote some how-to stories when we wrote how to make hot chocolate. Remember that? Okay, this is from Unit 5, Week 4. And in the book, the big book, so I'll be reading it to you, it has a story, and the genre is a how-to story. So it explains how to make something. And this one is learn how to make instruments. So shake, strike, strum. Now, what does that make you think of? Shake, strike, and strum. Okay. Shaking something, an instrument that you would shake. Striking, something you would strike. What would that be? Drums. Something that you would strum. That would be a guitar. Okay. First, let's talk about, because this week we're talking about sounds that you hear. So let's talk about the sounds a little bit. Shake, strike, strum. Instruments can be a lot of fun. Instruments make different kinds of sounds. Strike a drum, rum pum pum. Strum a guitar, pling pling. Blow on a horn, toot toot. Shake it up. Some sounds are nice to hear, others are not. But all sounds have two things in common: pitch and volume. What sounds would not be nice to hear? Okay, it's not pleasant to hear a siren going by, because then you know that somebody is hurt. Or to hear a crash in the kitchen and you know somebody dropped something and broke something. But other sounds are nice to hear. But all sounds have pitch and volume. Pitch is how high or low a sound is. When you whistle for a dog, you make a high-pitched sound. So pitch is how high or how low a sound is. Volume is how loud or soft a sound is. When you whisper in class, you make a low volume sound. When you are at recess, I say keep it soft, keep it low. And when you're on the playground, then you can make it loud. Okay, here's our how-to. You can make sounds, fun sounds too. Make these instruments and start a band. How to make a guitar. Well, first it tells you what you need. When we read the directions for making hot chocolate, first we came up with what you need to make hot chocolate. Remember, you needed the milk, you needed the cocoa, you needed the marshmallows. Okay, here you are going to need a tissue box, rubber bands, tape, and a ruler. Okay, if you have these things, then maybe you can make a guitar at home. It says what to do. First, what you need, then what to do. Stretch 4 to 6 rubber bands around the box, like this. Tape a ruler to the back, like this. This is the guitar's neck. Okay, we call that the neck of the guitar. Decorate the guitar. You can put it however you want, put designs on it. Then strum and pluck the rubber bands, and you have a guitar. You might try that at home. Okay, another thing is how to make a shaker. The story over here talked about shake. Well, this would be a shaker. How to make a shaker. What you need first. You need a plastic bottle, dried beans, and some stickers. So what to do? Put beans into the bottle. Put fun stickers on it to make it look pretty, and then shake it and have fun. Now you can shake, strike, strum, and have some fun. Okay? So you might enjoy doing that. So how are sounds different? Well, we talked about before. How are sounds different? They have different pitches and different volumes. Either high or low sounds, or they're either loud, and they can be loud or soft sounds. What sounds can you make? Okay, we talked about shake, strike, strum. Okay, what other sounds could you make? Okay, then look in your workbook on page 257. On page 257, it talks about directions. Directions tell you how to make or do something. A set of directions has 2 parts. The first part is a list of the materials you needed, just like we had in the book here, the list of materials you need. The second part tells the steps you need to follow, and just like here, what to do. Okay, so it has two parts, what you need and what you do. Okay, so here we're going to circle two materials that you need to make what is shown in the picture. Well, here you have a sandwich. So to make a sandwich, do you need bread, nails, or jam? Well, you need bread, and it says two materials. Do you need nails? I hope not. That would hurt, kind of hurt going down, or be hard to chew. And jam. Okay, here they've painted a picture. So to paint a picture, do you need a stove, brushes, or paints? Well, you don't need a stove. You do need brushes, paint brushes, and you need paints. Okay, here is a snowman. To make a snowman, do you need sticks, snow, or milk? Well, you need the sticks for the arms, and you need the snow, but not milk. Okay, the steps to make toast are not in the right order. Number the steps to put them in order. Okay, we have spread the toast with jam and, I can't talk. Spread the toast with jam or butter. Get 2 slices of bread. Put the bread in the toaster. Wait for the bread to get brown. What's the first thing you're going to do? Are you going to spread the toast with jam and butter? Well, no, we don't have toast yet. Get 2 slices of bread. Yes, first you have to get your bread. Then, are you going to put the bread in the toaster? Well, yeah. Then, are you going to wait for the bread to get brown? Yes. And then spread the toast with jam and butter. Yes. And so you put it in order what you're going to do. Okay. If you make those instruments, have fun. And maybe you can take a picture of yourself playing it and post it on our page on the Facebook.